Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. I'm super excited to announce that we have a new nail artist joining the Cute Polish team, and her name is Elena. In today's video, she will be showing you 10 different cute and easy nail art designs that can all be created just by using household items. Guys, let us know down in the comments which of these 10 designs are your favorites, and be sure to give Elena a warm welcome.
Hi, it's Elena. Let's begin. Start off by applying a base coat to protect your nails. The first design is a metallic striped look. Begin by applying 2 coats of a periwinkle polish as your base. Using a silver polish paired with an old liquid liner brush, begin painting on stripes in a horizontal direction. For a smooth stripe application, hold the brush in place and slowly rotate your nail. Use a cleaner brush or Q-tip dipped in polish remover and clean up any excess polish if needed. Dip back into the periwinkle color to clean up any lines if necessary. Next up, we have a textured strawberry design. Start off by applying 2 coats of a red polish as your base. Use a liquid eyeliner brush dipped in green polish to paint on a curved line along the cuticle area. Use a toothpick to poke tiny holes onto the red polished area to mimic the texture of a strawberry. Clean up any excess polish using a cleaner brush or Q-tip dipped in polish remover. Next up, we have a Peekaboo Bear. Begin by applying 2 coats of a white polish as your base. Use a liquid eyeliner brush dipped in pink polish and paint on a curved line, followed by filling in the area with the same pink polish. Feel free to add a second thin coat if needed to build opacity. Use the opposite end of a makeup brush dipped in the same pink polish and dot on 2 dots to create the ears. I've decided to extend the original curved line just a little bit more. Use a white polish dipped on the opposite end of a makeup brush to dot on the mouth. Next, use a bobby pin dipped into black polish to dot on the eyes and nose. Next up, we have a shattered foil look. Start off by applying 2 coats of a purple polish as your base. Use scissors to carefully cut up tiny pieces of aluminum foil. Pick up the pieces of foil using a toothpick and transfer onto the nail in no particular order before the base polish dries. Using a toothpick, go over each piece to gently push all edges into place. Next up, we have a speckled egg look. Begin by applying 2 coats of an aqua polish as your base. Feel free to apply a latex barrier or swap for tape to protect your skin surrounding the nail from excess polish. Use a toothbrush dipped into black polish and begin dabbing the toothbrush over top the nail. Use tweezers to carefully remove the latex barrier. Next up, we have a Smokey Smoosh look, and you'll want to start off by applying 2 coats of a white polish as your base. Using black polish, allow globs to freely drop onto the nail from the brush in no particular order and repeat with the same white polish that you used for your base. Bring a piece of saran wrap over top of the nail and smush into place, as it'll allow for both colors to smush together and blend. Use a cleanup brush or Q-tip paired with a remover and clean up any spillage of polish in the sidewall and cuticle area to avoid flooding when removing the latex barrier. Use tweezers to carefully remove the latex barrier. The next look is a Cotton Candy Sunset. Begin by applying 2 coats of a white polish as your base. Use a pink polish and fill in 1/2 of a makeup wedge. Next, use a blue polish and fill in the other half of the makeup wedge. Using low to medium pressure, dab the wedge over top the nail in a slight up and down and side to side motion for a seamless blend of colors. Repeat a second time for a better color payoff. Using tweezers, carefully remove the latex barrier and use a cleaner brush or Q-tip paired with remover to remove any excess polish if needed. This next step is optional, but I do think it really amps up the cute factor for this look. Dip a bobby pin into white polish and begin forming clouds. The next look was inspired by cake sprinkles, and you'll want to start off by applying 2 coats of a white polish as your base. Use various colors of polish to create the cake sprinkles using a liquid eyeliner brush or swap for a toothpick. It's best not to overthink the placement of the sprinkles, as they are quite random in how they fall. Next up, we have a bright color contrast Dotacure look. Start off by applying 2 coats of a coral polish as your base. Use a bobby pin dipped into bright yellow polish to create the dots. Use a cleanup brush or a Q-tip paired with remover and clean up any excess polish if needed. The last design is a yin and yang look. Begin by applying 2 coats of a white polish as your base. Use a liquid eyeliner brush dipped into black polish and draw a curved line as shown. Next, you'll want to dip into some more of that black polish and fill in the top half of the nail. Using a bobby pin dipped into black polish, apply a dot on the bottom half of the nail and a white dot on the top half of the nail. Lastly, finish off with a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine, and that's it. Feel free to swap for a matte top coat if preferred. If you'd like to watch more awesome videos here on cutepolish, you can click these boxes. Subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week by clicking this circle. And subscribe to my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here. Thanks for watching!